What's up guys, I'm Manohar here. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel Study with Manohar. Today we are like to speak about a few things about productivity and how to leave procrastination. So who are new to this channel? I'm Manohar, UPSC aspirant and civil engineering graduate. Quickly subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon. You will get a notification when I upload my video and share with your friends too. It gives a lot of motivation to me to make a very good random stuff of videos to be more productive. Let's get into the video. Here I would like to say 11 tips for your increasing of your productivity and leaving a procrastination and to be a super productive. Let's go. Let's get into a video. Let's see these 11 tips. Hope you enjoy the video. Tip 1. How to start your day when you wake up early morning. When you woke up early morning, just don't touch your phone like any electric gadgets. Just get out of your bed and do usual things and prepare by yourself to do for the rest of the day, and take a pen and paper or write something like if you what you would like to do today, and either you want to do write about a to-do list, or if you get any beautiful ideas when you're sleeping, or if you get any nightmares, or if you get any beautiful dreams, just write it down on your paper and put it on the paper, and you will get very positive vibes after seeing those things, and your day starts very well. This really helps you to boost your day with very positive vibes and to be very productive. And if you want to do any cycling or running or jogging, just fresh up yourself and just go somewhere and hit a gym. It really helps to you for your mental state condition to control and organize your ideas by your own self, and doing very organized way. Tip 2. Prepare your schedule a day before when you're going to the bed or when you're sleeping. It really helps you to be more clarity whatever you want to do or in that whole day, because it really helps to be more clarity on the things that which you would like to do that whole day, and the thoughts will be flow in your mind in a very flexibility manner and a very fluid way. It really helps you to be more productive at that whole day. Tip 3. Block your time for a particular things in your calendar. It really helps you to do whatever you want to do on that particular day. If you want to do something, or if you want to prepare something, or if you want to study any novel, keep a particular times for each and every topic and each and everything. If you block your time for, if I want to read a novel for 5 to 6 o'clock, I used to block my time for 5 to 6 o'clock, and I used to read my novel only. I don't do any random stuff, or I don't do any random things in this particular time. I used to do only reading novel. It's my main priority at this time. Tip 4. Giving prioritization for your to-do list. When you prepare the to-do list for your whole day, there is 2 segments that which you would like to divide your to-do list. One segment is important and the second segment is unimportant. In this important slot, you should write the whole things that you should do today very mandatory, and you should complete the task for today. In the unimportant slot, you should write the whole things that if you not do today, it's not matter at all. You can do some other time, or whenever you're free, you can do those things. Divide your slots into 2 different things, then you get a clarity about things which you like to do today and which you not like to do today. Tip 5. Eating healthy food and avoiding junk food, and drinking lots of water. In this long journey, in this long process, eating healthy food gives very positive vibes to you, and in this long session, when your preparation goes from morning to evening or late nights, if you want to sit very consistently without getting any procrastination or anything else, you should eat a very good amount of healthy food like fruits or non-carbohydrate food. So eating healthy foods gives you very positive vibes, and you can sit a very long hours. If you eat any junk food, you get drowsiness, and you easily can attract, or you easily can go aside of procrastination. So eat lots of fruits and drink at least 5 to 6 liters of water in this summer, or in a regular basis also. The water is very good, so consume the water in a very huge way, and eating healthy food, fruits also is very good for your health. Tip 6. Productivity comes from positivity. So maximum content of negativity avoid from your surroundings, and avoid negative kind of people from your surroundings and your workspace, because they used to ruin your life, continuously giving negative thoughts for you, and it's really very bad for you growing upcoming. If you avoid negativity from your surroundings, it really helps you grow from procrastination to productivity in a very good way. Tip number 7. Using mobile. I usually use my mobile as less as I can. In my personal space, I use 45 minutes per day. 25 minutes for my social network, like anything like Instagram or YouTube or Telegram. The rest of the time I use calls or messages, checking the important calls or important messages. I save my time to do productive things rather than doing unnecessary things like checking my mobiles, or unnecessary things doing like most of the time watching YouTube or Instagram or some social networks. Tip number 8: track and limit how much time you are spending on your own task. Tracking and limitation, in a sense, if you block your time in a particular point, like in my case, if I block my time 2 to 4 o'clock for a particular subject like polity or geography, I used to read 2 to 4 o'clock that particular subject only. I should not use my time for doing some another things like seeing YouTube or scrolling my phone or speaking with my friends. Each and every minute you should track your eye on your own particular things, like a to-do list is, are you doing in the right way, or are you getting distracted? Or if you keep eye on your own things, then you won't distract and you go in a very straight way, like in a very productive way, without any procrastination or without doing any unnecessary things. It will be useful for you. Tip number 9: organizing your workspace. When you start your preparation in the morning, first clean your desk and organize your things very neat and keep a positive vibes. Keep any some plastic plants or any small plants, or keeping a lofty symbols, or organize your books in a very good way, or these kind of stuff. It gives you really very positive vibes to study more time and without any distractions. It helpful for you. Tip number 10: learning new skills by yourself. Learning new skills really gives you very positive vibes. In my opinion, in my spare time, I usually learn very different languages or any some kind of musical instruments. It's keep a particular time to learn a new skills. Like if you had interest to play guitar, if you had interest on to play a piano or some games, or like these all things, keep a particular time to learning new things. Always sharpen your mind, and it flows you ideas in a very fluent way. So it really helps you in a very long period, not in a short period. It really helps you in a very long period. If you had interest, just try it out. Tip number 11: keep time slot for doing unproductive things. Keep time slots to do unproductive things. Like in your whole day, you should spend at least 1 or 1.5 hour a particular time to do unproductive things. Like if you want to spend with your friends, you can spend with your friends. If you want to play some games, you can play. If you want to engage with your parents or some X factors, if you want to speak a call with your friends or anything else, if you dedicate a particular slot for your unproductive things, your mind get relaxed, and you don't there is a very less chances to be distracted for your next upcoming studies. We just completed our 11 tips giving about productivity and leaving procrastination. In my daily life, I really enjoyed with these tips, and there are some more tips that really I would like to share with you from upcoming videos. These 11 tips really helps me in my personal space and my regular studies. I hope you too. Keep enjoying and subscribe to my channel and like my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.